Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. Introduction. In the intricate world of networking, where data transmission reliability is paramount, network cable testers stand as indispensable tools. These devices ensure that network cables are properly installed, terminated, and functioning optimally, minimizing downtime and maximizing performance. With a plethora of options available on the market, selecting the right network cable tester can be daunting. To aid in this decision-making process, we've compiled a comprehensive list of the top 5 best network cable testers. Each of these testers has been rigorously evaluated based on criteria such as accuracy, functionality, ease of use, durability, and value for money. Whether you're a seasoned network professional or a DE enthusiast, these top contenders are sure to meet your testing needs with precision and reliability. Number 5. TOOLTOP Network Cable Tester. The TOOLTOP Network Cable Tester is a versatile and reliable tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Designed with durability and functionality in mind, it offers a comprehensive range of features that make cable testing and troubleshooting a breeze. One of the standout features of this cable tester is its ability to handle both analog and switch tracing. Whether you're dealing with standard cables or those with power over Ethernet (PoE), this tester has you covered. The switch indicator's flashing function provides added convenience, allowing for quick identification of switch ports. Number 4. NOYAFA NF8508 Network Cable Tester. One of the standout features of the NF8508 is its versatility. Designed to test both CAT5 and CAT6 cables, it covers a wide range of networking scenarios, making it a valuable tool for any IT professional. Whether I'm troubleshooting a small office network or a large-scale enterprise setup, the NF8508 provides accurate results consistently. The wire map port on the transmitter unit, coupled with remote continuity testing capabilities, enables me to quickly identify cable faults and verify connections with ease. Additionally, the ability to detect short circuits and perform cable sequence tests further enhances the diagnostic capabilities of this tester. Number 3. NOYAFA NF8601's Network Cable Tester. The NOYAFA NF8601's Network Cable Tester is a comprehensive solution for testing and troubleshooting various types of cables commonly used in networking and telecommunications. With its array of features and capabilities, it promises to be a valuable tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The NF8601's features a user-friendly interface with a large LCD screen that provides clear and easy-to-read information. The backlight further enhances visibility, making it suitable for use in various lighting conditions. The cable map indication feature simplifies the identification of cable connections, helping users quickly pinpoint any issues. Number 2. Maitepus TL280 Network Cable Fault Tester. The Maitepus TL280 Network Cable Fault Tester is a reliable and efficient tool designed to diagnose and troubleshoot network cable issues with precision and ease. As someone who frequently works with network installations and maintenance, I found this device to be an indispensable addition to my toolkit. One of the standout features of the TL280 is its impressive measurement range. With a maximum range of 8 km in manual mode and 4 km in auto mode, it can effectively detect faults over long distances, making it suitable for a wide range of network setups, from small office environments to large-scale industrial installations. Number 1. NOYAFA NF8209's Network Cable Tester. One of the standout features of the NF8209 is its impressive length measurement range. With the ability to measure cables ranging from 2.5 to 600 meters, this tester is perfect for jobs of all sizes. Whether you're working in a small office or a large commercial building, you can rely on the NF8209s to provide accurate length measurements with ease. Furthermore, the inclusion of a 3.7V 1400 mAh lithium battery ensures long-lasting performance, allowing you to tackle multiple testing tasks without interruption. Plus, the low-voltage prompt and battery reminder feature provide added convenience, ensuring that you're always aware of the device's power status. Thanks for watching this video.